Hey everybody, welcome to the YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of this powered by Shopify text at the bottom of your website to make you look more professional and more authentic to your customers. So there's one easy way of doing this and there's one more difficult way. Well, not even difficult, it's just more dodgy in that it can mess up your website. So that's by editing the code, but this way I'm just going to show you is a lot easier, safer, and it'll take less than 1 minute. So let's put 1 minute on the clock here and let's get to it. So I'm going to close this preview here. And you want to come here to your teams on the left hand side, and whatever team you're working on, this method will work on any team in the Shopify team library. So what you want to do is, I'm working on the simple one here, so go to actions, then go to edit languages. This will load up here eventually. So the languages page loads here. So in the search translations, you want to search by powered by, hit enter. And then this brings up everywhere on your website that Powered by Shopify appears. So you can see this little grayed out section here. So if you want to replace that, you can put anything in here you want, but I'm just going to leave it blank, so I'm just going to put in a little space. And the same here, it appears on the password page. So I'll do the same again. Go back up to the top, hit save, and then we'll just go back out to our teams here and see if we can preview it and make sure that it has disappeared from our website. So this is going to load here again for a second. Sorry for the delay. Okay, actions, preview. And we're back to the bottom of the website, and this is completely gone now. So this is a good result. So thanks very much for listening, guys, and if you want to see any more tips and tricks like this, make sure to subscribe and like the video, please. It would be much appreciated.